You hear all these people go on CNBC and talk about how Palantir is so expensive, price to sales, you're crazy buying it. And I'm like, look, I get it. I look at numbers. I fucking get them. I know the numbers, okay? I get them. For 30 years, I study numbers. I also got the numbers on Netflix too 20 years ago, and I made the biggest mistake in the world because I said the same thing. This company's crazy. Tesla, I said the same thing. You're nuts buying this company. I didn't understand it. Palantir offers services that almost no one else could offer in AI. They just sold an AI military system to NATO. And you look at the deals that these guys do, it's incredible because they're like the holy grail. I mean, it's AI applications, AI provide services to companies that no one else could offer yet. And that makes its total addressable market, which is the biggest thing you should look at as a stock. How big is that total addressable market? Because their total addressable market, people are saying it's 100 billion, 200 billion. I think it's more like $1 trillion because they could offer services to companies like the NATO contract. I mean, Palantir is going to offer its large language models for generative and machine learning. Okay, fine. It's a couple of companies that could do that, but it's going to enhance intelligence, fusion, and targeting, increase battle space awareness and planning, and accelerate decision making. There's not a system out there that can offer this yet. They could come in and almost immediately, here it is. This is what we're going to do for you right away. Okay, that's why you're seeing the largest companies sign contracts with them. The oil business alone is $200 billion opportunity for this company. So, I mean, this is Tesla back in 2016 when everyone thought the company was too expensive. And they never looked at Tesla's total addressable market because they figured it in and said, okay, EVs are going to be this big market, but what do they factor in? They factor in all the legacy providers in that as well. They didn't factor in that legacy providers cannot compete with Tesla. That's why all their operations are overseas. They can't compete. They don't have the margins. They don't have the technology, just like nobody could really compete with Netflix. Same thing, right? In that industry, there's certain companies that do a great job that know how to operate in an industry that's very difficult, others that can't. And when I'm looking at this company and their total addressable market and the fact that even like Tesla, the legacy, their total addressable market was so much bigger than everyone was talking about 2016, 17, 18. The same thing's for Palantir. So I know you're looking at valuations going, holy shit. This company has a $200 billion market cap that could easily be $1 trillion market cap, be one of the biggest companies.